Life happens. Outdoors can be a game changer for anyone looking to get the most out of their outdoor experiences, but there are a few key things you need to know before diving in. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this product stands out from the rest and how it can give you the best outdoor experiences without the hassle. And make sure to stay tuned until the end, where I'll show you how to try it completely free. First things first, what makes Life Happens Outdoors different from other outdoor tools on the market? Unlike many competitors that just give you basic tracking and weather reports, Life Happens Outdoors is a holistic solution that offers in-depth, real-time insights tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just exploring new terrain, this platform integrates data from various sources, providing a comprehensive overview of your surroundings, including weather, trail conditions, and even expert advice for outdoor activities. The second thing you need to consider is how intuitive the user interface is. I've tested many other outdoor apps, and let me tell you, Life Happens Outdoors delivers a seamless experience. Its design is user-friendly, so whether you're tech-savvy or a beginner, navigating the app feels natural and effortless. And it's quick. Unlike some apps where you're left waiting for the data to load, you won't waste precious time trying to figure out the interface when you should be enjoying your time outdoors. Next thing, the app's customization options. Life Happens. Outdoors offers personalized recommendations based on your activities and preferences. It learns from your usage, so over time, it adapts to your needs. Whether it's recommending new trails, suggesting the best times to go, or alerting you to weather changes, this level of customization is unmatched by competitors. It's like having a personalized outdoor guide right in your pocket. Now, let's talk about the community aspect. One thing I've really appreciated about Life Happens Outdoors is the community of outdoor enthusiasts that share their experiences and tips. You can engage with others to discover new locations, swap advice, and even read real-time reports from fellow users. This community-driven feature sets it apart from other products that leave you feeling isolated in your adventure planning. The fifth thing you need to know is the level of detail in the app's information. Life Happens. Outdoors doesn't just tell you the temperature or the weather forecast, it gives you detailed maps, elevation data, and even water levels if you're planning to be near a river or lake. Competitors might give you basic trail info, but Life Happens Outdoors goes the extra mile to equip you with everything you need for a safe and enjoyable trip. The sixth thing worth mentioning is how the app keeps you connected even when you're off the grid. Life Happens Outdoors has offline features that let you access maps, trail data, and emergency contacts, all without needing a cell signal. This is a major plus over other apps, which often require an internet connection to be fully functional. And the seventh thing, the customer support. Life Happens. Outdoors offers responsive and knowledgeable support if you ever run into any issues. I've reached out a few times, and each time they've been quick to help resolve my questions. Unlike other services where you're left waiting forever for a response, Life Happens Outdoors understands the importance of getting you back out there as soon as possible. So, if you're thinking about trying Life Happens Outdoors, here's the best part. Click the first link in the description below, and you'll get the best offer to try the software completely free. You'll also unlock exclusive benefits that will make your outdoor experiences even better. If you're ready to take your outdoor adventures to the next level and make the most of every moment, Life Happens. Outdoors is the tool you need. Don't miss out. Click the link below to get started now.